first of all, on all the metal, it gets sound deadener. And that's in the form of these panels, and we got those in. I actually made the decision on that one. This is 72 square feet, which is enough to do the van. You don't do the whole inside. You just do panels. This is not for insulation. This is for sound deadening. Another name for this is kill mat. A lot of people use that. If you look in their vans during their build, it'll say kill mat on everything. And that's what this is. This one I don't think has any lettering on it.
So are you going to do insulation like Reflectix or something too?
Okay, so on top of, after you do this, then I'm going to use 3M Insulate, which is a 1-inch fiberglass insulation.
Is that Thinsulate stuff?
Thinsulate. What did I say?
3M Insulate.
3M Thinsulate.
Thinsulate.
Okay.
Are they sticky on one side?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they, you cut them into pieces, and then it's this butylene stuff.
Okay.
And so that'll be inside these panels here, kind of just floating in there. But it keeps that and makes a big difference in that. So they'll be up here, up here, up here.
So they go in between the ribs.
And they'll be up here. But I don't want to do, I don't want to do some of this first because I'm going to cut a window in this side and this side. Oh. And I think I need it to be in these panels. I'm concerned about actually cutting a rib. I'm going to try to get away from not doing that. But I kind of want the window right there. But we're talking about a window that is about this size.
Oh, so, and it has a sliding screen and
yeah,
stuff,
it'd be a nice window.
Yeah, like
with the shade and everything built into it.
Okay.
And you can open it and get airflow across.
So, and we're not going to have windows in the back.
No.
If we want to see outside, we're going to have to open the door.
Well, you could see out these windows.
Yeah, but they're little.
They're this.
Yeah. Big. It's not a big picture window like a lot of these van lifers have.
Yeah, you're not going to get that. This isn't a cabin in the woods. This is.
Did you break one?
No, actually, it just goes back together.
Oh, okay, good. Last night, it rained really bad. And this tree was struck by lightning. Especially see it down here at the bottom. So this is right next to our barn, which is right here. It's more of a office than a barn. But it has fried so much equipment and so much important equipment.
Got the sound deadener installed. That is Noico Sound Deadener. It was 72 square feet. And I did the wheel covers. And there's some in the doors here. I had to take the door panels off to get that.